Hi guys, welcome to the Tattoo Sewer. Today I am going to be doing something super easy, so I'm not going to talk you through the steps because it's easy peasy and super cute. So it's kids dungarees, MacCall's pattern M6304. I'm dead excited because I'm making these for my grandson, and because lockdown rules have changed, I'm actually going to get to see him properly on Monday, which is really exciting. I can't wait, and I can't think of anything better than to give him a garment to wear and hopefully get him to try them on, and then I can put a picture on the end of this video and he will look adorable, I hope. So I'm going to get a crack on. I've got my bumblebee fabric, cute or what, and I'm going to crack on and cut out my pattern pieces, and then you can have a quick look in quick time as to what I do, and then you can see how they turn out at the end. Right, then I've cut out my pattern pieces, which is a front, is that the front? Yeah, front, little bumblebees, and a back. I'm doing the shorts version. They are going to be so cute. Pockets, kids love pockets, God knows what he's going to stick in there. And then we've got our facings for the front and back, which are going to be interfaced. So I'm going to get on and start sewing that together. So if you've not done interfacing before, when I get to that bit, I'll show you what to do. I just get too excited about sewing. I think there's something wrong with me. Right then, I am at the stage where I have got my little dungarees taking shape. So cute! And I need to do the interfacing, so I'm going to show you how to do that now. Okay, so I'm squatting down by my ironing board. So we've got the piece of fabric here, and we've got some interfacing to go on the wrong side of the fabric. Now this interfacing is kind of like a bit like a fabricy paper type thing, and this one has got glue dots on the wrong side. So to know the difference between the right side and the wrong side, you just kind of have to run your fingers over it. The rough side has got the glue on, the smooth side hasn't. So now I am going to iron this on and show you the difference it makes in the fabric. It goes from floppy to a bit stiff. So I'm going to get on with that. So you need to make sure that you haven't got too much lapping over your edges, because if you do, it will stick to your ironing board. I work from the centre out, just lightly pressing. Also a good tip to generate some steam to get really under that. Just hold it above a bit, generate the steam, and it will go in between the two layers. My iron's a bit spitty, so I'd have to be a bit careful. So as you can see, this is the first bit which I haven't ironed it on yet. That's all floppy. and this is a bit I have ironed, and it's a lot more sturdy. You can get different weights of interfacing. This is a mid-weight, but you can get light, heavy, extra heavy. So if you've got projects such as hats or something, you might want to make a peak, and that might require some heavyweight interfacing. So once you've got that nailed and you've got your ironing technique down, it's really simple to use, and to be honest, I find it quite satisfying. Right then, I've finished my project. This is the end result. I don't think it could be any cuter, even with little cute pockets. It's adorable. So that's the shorts version. But I did also make, because I love that one so much, a long version. And this has got farmyard animals on it, cows and sheep and stuff. So I'm really thrilled with the outcome, and I can't wait for him to try it on. So hope you enjoyed your time with me today. Have a great day. Take care. Look after yourselves. Love to you all. Bye.